Hello students, welcome. See, we are doing class 9 maths chapter 2 polynomial. So today we'll start exercise 2.1. Alright guys, so we'll do one by one, okay, with the basic concept of polynomials. And before you understand this type of question, you should know what is a polynomial and also what is a whole number, okay, because whole number is very important for polynomial. So let me make you understand the polynomial. Polynomial is any algebraic expression in which the power of the variable should be a whole number. Okay, see, this is the set of whole number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 7 8 9 10 like this. Okay, if we have the power of variable whole number, then this will be called as a polynomial. Okay, see, 2 is a whole number, so this is a my polynomial. Y square 2 is a whole number, so this is also my polynomial. But here see 3 root t, see this I can write 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus t 1 by root 2. Okay, see, in this case t power is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is not a whole number, this is a rational number, so this is not a polynomial. Okay guys, so and again this one y plus 2 into this 2 by y. Okay, I can write 1 by y. All right, so this also the power of y will be minus 1 in this case. Okay, this will become like this 2 y plus 2 y to the power minus 1. So here y power of y is minus 1, which is not a whole number again. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Whole number is the set of these numbers. Okay, so this is again not a polynomial. This is again not a polynomial. So with this basic concept of polynomials, let's start our session today. Okay, so let's do number 1. What is the question? What is the question in this case? See, solution number 1, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. You have to say whether this expression are polynomials in one variable or not. First, you have to say whether this is a polynomial or not. Second, in one variable or not. And if yes or no, you have to give the reason for the answer. Okay, so let's do this one. Number 1. See, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. See, the power of the variable x, power of x is 2, power of x is 1. Okay. Okay, that means this is a polynomial, obviously. Again, you have to see whether this is a polynomial in one variable or not. See, this is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, because x and x. Okay, and okay guys, and if you understand the basic concept, all these terms, coefficients, everything I have done in the previous video, please I'll put it in the screen or I button. Please click on that to see the video. You are constantly more clear on this. Okay guys, so this will be, yes, it is a polynomial. The expression is a polynomial. Okay, is a polynomial in one variable. All right guys, because x and x, I have only one variable. Because why? Because there is only one variable, that is x, and all the power, okay, power of variable is a whole number. Okay, see, x and the power of the variable is whole number, 2 and 1 are whole number, therefore it is a polynomial in one variable. All right guys, so I hope you understand question number 1. So let's do question number 2. Okay, number 2 is, I'll let the question here. Number 2 is y square plus root 2. Okay, see, in this case, which is the variable? Y is the variable. Okay, and what is the power of this y? Is 2, whole number. Okay, so this is the variable, only one variable. In this case, it is y is only one variable, and the power of the variable y is 2. It is 2 is a whole number, and we know it is a polynomial because the power of the variable is whole number, and also only y, only one variable. Yes, same, it is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, same reason, because it has only one variable y and the power of y is a whole number. Is it clear? Do you understand? Let's do number 3 if you understand this one. See, number 3 question is, number 3 is 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Okay. See, this I can write 3, t I can write t to the power 1 by 2. Okay. See, t power is 1 here and here it is 2 square root. Okay. So this 1 goes up and this square root 2, I mean this power 2 here 2 comes down, plus t root 2. So in this case, what is the power of t? 1 by 2. It is not a whole number. So this expression itself is not a polynomial. The expression is not a polynomial. Why? Why? Because the power or exponent, it is also called exponent. Okay, exponent of t is 1 by 2. No, you have seen. See this one, t is 1 by 2, power of t is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, which is not a whole number, which is not a whole number. Okay guys, do you understand this one? The basic concept, the power should be whole number. In this case, the power is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a rational number, not a whole number. Okay, because this is the set of whole number. So this is the set of whole number, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Okay, so let's do number 4. Let's do number 4. Y plus 2 by y. See, this again I can write like this, y plus 2 into 1 by y. This will come as y plus 2 into y. See, minus 1 is 1 to the power minus 1. Huh? 1 by y is 1 by means minus 1. Okay, so this gives me, see again, power of y is a negative number. It is not a whole number. So this is again not a polynomial. The expression is not a polynomial. Okay, why? Because the exponent or the power, okay, the exponent or the power, same thing, of a variable y is not a whole number. Okay guys, do you understand? Let's do number 5. I hope you understand this, very simple. Okay, let's do number 5. Number 5 is x to the power 10 y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Okay, so this is a polynomial obviously, because variable x, y, t, x variable x power is 10, power of y 3, power of t is 50. All these numbers are whole number. Yeah, this is a polynomial, but again this is a polynomial in 3 variables. See, x, y, t. But do you need 3 variables? No, we need a polynomial which should be in 1 variable. See the question. Okay, see the question. Let me go back. Which of the following expression are polynomials in 1 variable? Very important, in 1 variable. Okay, so this is not a polynomial in 1 variable. Obviously this is a polynomial, but not in 1 variable, 3 variables. So our answer will be yes or no. No, this expression is not a polynomial. Okay guys, because in the expression, what happened in the expression? because in the expression three variables, okay, three variables. What are the three variables? X, y, and t are present. Okay, this is the reason. This is a polynomial, but in three variables, not in one variable. Okay, so I hope guys you understood this. Hello guys, welcome. So today again we'll start exercise 2.1, question number 2, chapter 9, class 9, chapter 2. Okay, so what is the question number 2? Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Okay, what do I have to write? I have to write the coefficient of x square. Okay, coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient? See, coefficient I can write number before a term. Okay, number before any term. So here coefficient of x square, question number 1. Okay, let's see question number 2 plus x square plus x. What is the term before, what is the number before x square? In this case nothing, means 1. So that means coefficient of x square I can write it as 1. Okay, so coefficient of x square is 1. Why 1? Because 1 is the number before a term x square. Let's do question number 2. Okay, so number 2 is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Okay, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the number I have before x square? Minus, and nothing means 1 I can write. So therefore coefficient of x square will be equals to minus 1. Okay, let's do number 3. Let's do number 3. Number 3 is pi by 2 x square plus x. Okay, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the number I have before x square? Pi by 2. So therefore coefficient of x square in this case will be equals to pi by 2. Okay, number 4 root 2x minus 1. See, very important question this one, huh? Very much important, because here in this case I do not have x square. Question asked find the coefficient of x square, but you do not have x square term. So since I don't have any x square term, that means coefficient will be 0. Okay, in this case I do not have x square term, so my coefficient of x square in this term will be 0. And let me explain this also, how it comes to 0. Okay, so this I can write as 0 plus root 2x minus 1. Instead of 0 I can add 0 into x square. Same, 0 and 0 into x square is same. I'll bring this x square term here because I need x square term. Okay, so that's why I'm bringing this x square term here, plus same this root 2x minus 1. Now see, what is the coefficient of x square in this case? What is the number before x square? 0. So in this case coefficient of x square is 0. Therefore coefficient of x square will be equals to 0. Okay, so this is the answer there. Or in shortcut, whatever the terms you are asked, like you are asked to find the value of x square. Okay, the coefficient of x square. Since you do not have x square terms here, therefore coefficient will be 0. Okay, this is the easiest way to understand or to find the value. But I'll just show you the, I have shown you the process actually how it comes. After this, question number 3. Let's do question number 3. Okay, exercise 2.1, question number 3. Give one example of each of binomial. So I have to give example of each of binomial. What is a binomial? 2 terms having number of 2 terms. It's called a binomial. And degree, as we know, 35. The highest power should be 35. Okay. So one example. See, this is the one. One example of a binomial of degree 35 is this one. This is my answer. Okay. Y to the power 35. See, there are 2 terms. There are 2 terms. One is y, one is 5. Binomial means having 2 terms. And degree 35. I can write this also. See. Sorry, 5y. Here I can take 5y also. 2 terms I am having, and the degree is highest power 35. So this is a binomial of degree 35. Okay, so let's do other one example of a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means one term. Okay, so I'll write one example of a monomial. Okay, one example of a monomial of degree 100. So monomial means one term. I can take y, one term. Monomial means one term. Binomial means two term. Trinomial means three terms. So monomial here I'll take only one term. I can take x, y, z, t, whatever you want. So I'll take y, any variable here. And the degree should be 100, means power should be 100. So this is my answer. Okay. Let's see example 4. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Write the degree. Okay, degree as you know, degree means what? Highest power. Degree means highest power. Degree means highest power or exponent of any variable. Okay guys, so number 1, see what is the highest power? It is 3. So degree here 3. What is the highest power? Degree 2. Highest power is 2. Highest power of the variable y is 2. So degree 2. Here what is the highest power of degree variable? T is the variable and highest power is 1. So degree 1. Here I do not have any variable, that means degree will be 0. Okay, I do not have that variable. Any variable I don't have, that means degree will be 0. Whatever term asked, if that is not present, that means the answer will be 0. Like coefficient. In the previous case, we have seen the coefficient of x square. Since x square is not present, therefore the coefficient of x square was 0 in the previous question. Example question number 2, question number 4. Okay, so let's do one by one. Okay, so solution 1. Okay, degree 5x cube 1. Your degree will be, okay, let me write the question again. 5x cube okay, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree here, highest power of variable 5 x is 3, so degree here 3. Number 2, what is the question number 2? 4 minus y square. So in this case, what is the highest power of the variable y? 2, so degree will be 2. Okay, number 3, question number 3, 5t minus root 7. Highest power of variable t is 1, therefore degree will be equals to 1. Okay, number 4, 3. See, I do not have any variable, that means degree will be 0. Or I can write this as 3 into 1. 3 into 1, instead of 1, I can write any variable. I can do x, y, z, whatever you want, to the power 0. Since x to the power 0 or y to the power 0 gives me 1. Any variable to the power 0 gives me 1. Okay, so this is the thing. So this gives me 3x to the power 0. Means 3 I can write 3 equals to 3x to the power 0. Okay, therefore what is the degree of 3? Therefore degree of 3 will be equals to 0. Okay, so these are the some answers. So question number 5, example 5. What you have to do? Example 5, you have to classify. Okay, you have to classify. See, there are 7 questions. Out of this, you have to classify whether which one is linear, which one is quadratic, and which one is cubic polynomials. Okay, so linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials based on the degree, not number of terms, based on the degree. If degree is 2, that means it will be called as quadratic. Okay, if degree is 2, then it will be called as quadratic. If degree is 1, it will be called as linear polynomial. If degree is 3, it will be called as cubic polynomial. Okay, see here, degree, what is the degree here? Number 1. Okay, let me write one by one. See, number 1, x square plus x. X square plus x. In this case, what is the degree? Degree is 2. Therefore, It is a linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. ठीक है. Number 2. What is number 2? Number 2 is x minus x cube. X minus x cube. In this case, what is the degree? Degree is 2. Highest power is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. ठीक है. Number 3. Let me write number 3. Number 3 is y plus y square plus 4. What is the degree here? What is the degree here? Here degree equals to 2. Highest power is 2. Therefore, it is a 2. Degree 2 means quadratic. It is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. One plus x. Here, what is the degree? Highest power of variable is 1. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. Okay, guys. Question number 5. Let's see question number 5. 3t. Okay, 3t. 3t means what is the variable here? T is the variable here. And what is the power? 1. So therefore here degree equals to 1. Therefore it is a linear polynomial. ठीक है. Number 6. Let me write number 6. Number 6, r square. What is the variable here? R. And what is the power of r? 2. So what is 2? Degree is 2. So here degree will be equals to 2. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay friend, are you understanding? Very simple method, also very simple to understand these things. Let's do number 7. Number 7, 7x cube. Okay, so 7x cube. What is the variable here? X is the variable. What is the power of x? See, x is my variable. What is the power of x? 3. So here degree is 3. Okay, degree is 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. Okay guys, do you understand? So I have done all the questions of exercise 2.1, and in the next class I'll do exercise 2.2. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.